another situation where you have a bird that's a little bit lower weight and is still familiar with the hunting ground, you can come out here and hopefully free fly. And days like this, you're likely to find a squirrel, maybe some turkey. Unfortunately, I haven't seen anything, so we are going to be flying at a lure today. And he's going to go through the trees. Why is that significant? Because he's a Ferruginous hawk. This species would much rather fly around and soar up above on desert plains and in high winds. But, no, what are you doing? Where are you going? What are you doing? Overeager, always you. Oh, he sees her taking the position. See, we need a longer line and a different method. Oh.